So, Midshipman Alferez, Rule 24, towing and pushing. A. A power-driven vessel when towing shall exhibit 1. Instead of the light prescribed in Rule 23, A1 or A2, two masthead lights in a vertical line when the length of the tow measuring from the stern of the towing vessel to the after end of the tow exceed 200 meters. Three such light in a vertical line. 2. Side lights. 3. A stern light. 4. A towing light in a vertical line above the stern light. 5. When the length of the tow exceeds 200 meters, a diamond shape where it can be seen. B. When a pushing vessel and a vessel being pushed ahead are rigidly connected in a composite unit, they shall be graded as a power-driven vessel and exhibit the light prescribed in Rule 23. C. A power-driven vessel when pushing ahead or towing alongside except in the case of a composite unit shall exhibit 1. Instead of the light prescribed in Rule 23 or A2 to masthead. Lights in a vertical line, two side lights, 3. Stern lights. D. A power-driven vessel to which paragraphs A or C of this rule apply shall also comply with Rule 23 A3 A2 E. A vessel or object being towed other than those mentioned in paragraph of this rule shall exhibit 1. Side lights. 2. Astern lights. 3. When the length of the tow exceeds 200 meters in a diamond shape where it can best be been. F. Provided that any number of vessels being towed alongside or pushing in a group shall be lighted as one vessel. 1. A vessel being pushed ahead not being part of a composite unit shall exhibit at the forward and side lights. 2. A vessel being towed alongside shall exhibit a stern light and at the forward and side lights. G. An inconspicuous, partially submerged vessel or object or combination of such vessel or object being towed shall exhibit 1. If it is less than 25 meters in breadth, one of all around white lights at or near the forward end and one or near the after and except that the cones need not exhibit a line at or near the forward end I if it is 25 meters or more and breathing two additional all-around white lights at or near the extremities or its breadth. 3. If it exceed 100 meters in length, additional all-round white lights between the lights prescribed in subparagraphs 1 and 2 so that the distance between the lights shall not exceed 100 meters. 4. I, for a diamond shape at nor near the aftermost eternity of the last vessel or object being towed and If the length of the tow exceeds 200 meters, an additional diamond shape where it can be seen and located as far forward as a practicable. H. Far from any sufficient because it is impracticable for a vessel or object being towed to exhibit the lights or shape prescribed in paragraph E or G of this rule shall possible measured shall be taken to light and vessel or object towed or at least to indicate the presence of such vessel or object. 1. Word from any sufficient because it is impracticable for a vessel not normally engaged in towing operation to display the light prescribed in paragraph A or C of this rule. Such vessel shall not be required to exhibit those lights when engaged in towing another vessels in distress or otherwise in need of assistance. All possible measures shall be taken to indicate the nature of the relation between the towing vessels and the vessel being towed as authorized by Rule 36, in particular by illuminating the tow line.